This year was a very good year for Southside Powerlifting. Girls went to 4 invitational meets and finished first place in 2 of them. Likewise, the boys went to 4 invitational meets and they finished first place in 2 of them. Here at Southside High School, boys and girls powerlifting, we recruit a lot of athletes that believe that there's no limits to what the human can accomplish.
I'm truly grateful for Southside helping me achieve all these goals that I've achieved, winning invitational meets, getting second at regionals, qualifying for state, helping me achieve my end goal of hopefully finishing out the season my senior year. Hopefully going further in the sport.
Goals that I've achieved here in powerlifting are I made it to regionals my first year. Coaches have pushed me a lot to discipline myself by showing me different ways, different techniques.
Southside has helped me with the resources I need to get where I need to be. I'm going to go to the University of UTSA and reach my goal of being a USA powerlifter. I just want to thank the whole Southside community for supporting the whole powerlifting program and getting us to where we need to be.
An achievement I'm really proud of is definitely getting 5th at state. You get a medal, and that's a really big achievement. I'm definitely grateful for Southside and the community it brings me, my coaches, my teammates that make me want to show up for practice, my family for supporting me through all my meets. It's a great formula for success.